Nigga had better style that shit. Play with me, I had them young bring them pose out. It's my shit, it get too crazy. This shit like Call of Duty with a load. Back in that bitch come take over. Back in that bitch with this shit, you can tell who that. Go to sleep, hating on a nigga. Tell him take the breath of my body on soul. I ain't faking with a nigga. You will never see me round my room when that paper get involved. Get up and move for them dogs. I'ma get up and move for that paper. Gotta stick and move from the coffin. I know what to do with that paper. Used to be a fool with that garlic. I know what to do with that shit. I used to run on that paper going fuck off. Having fun with that paper till I fucked up. Now I run on that paper going duck out. Some niggas by that paper. 2025, we ain't playing with a nigga. 24 hours patient, let shit slide out, spam them niggas. Got them sticks in me, feel like the Navy. Want them to try it, I be daring the nigga. And the G-Lock don't come with safety quick. Y'all watch how I wham on the nigga. Hey, I call this switch goddamn on the nigga. Cause they gon' say goddamn when I hit you. Quick jaw get out, get you picked off. But they gon' slam on the nigga, gon' slam on the nigga. Yeah, I'm gonna tell them what's going on. Why you playing with a nigga? Quick jaw nigga. Yeah. Alright. That's right. Type of time that we on. Yeah, I can say check the news, nigga. I bet he gone. Tell a nigga die behind some dudes, but they gon' say we wrong. If you survive, you better alive. We bullish, y'all. We gotta take some buyers out though, cause remember, all right. So remember when I say when people are buying, where they put their stop loss at, they put their stop loss like right underneath here because they're expecting price not to go there. So remember, they buying because they want to go target these highs. That's why they buying because they want to target these highs here. So yes, whoever is in their buys, they still holding right now. They still holding. They still holding because they're expecting price to come back to these highs. That's what's happening. So as we approach the new month, as you can see, price closed here. It closed here. We never really got up here. We really closed here. So what I'm expecting, me personally, I'm expecting price to officially come and take out these buyers. So whoever bought here, I want price to come and take out the buyers just to make price to go up. Remember, in order for the massive move to happen, it gotta go the opposite direction first. The opposite direction could possibly mean take out anybody that's buying here, liquidity areas, or simply areas that price needs to go hit. So that's where I'm looking at it now. So that's why I got like no sales until these sellers are taken out. So I'm not really looking for a massive sale until price come and take these sellers out. I'm not really looking for a massive buy until price come take these buyers out. So that's really what the only thing I'm doing for the monthly. Like I'm not even going to worry about this right here because the only thing this right here showing me is we're bullish. So okay, yes, we got the trend on the monthly. That's the only thing price showing me. You see, price went here, end up coming here. What we stop here. So let price come down. You know, let price possibly come down just to go up. So that's what I'm gonna break down. I'm on a monthly time frame right now, but we're gonna scale down, look at the weekly now since we already seen what we can possibly see. Now, this where we able to either catch that buy up for those sellers or catch those that sell down for those buyers. All right, so now we know for a fact we got to trade within this zone. And like I said, the major sellers are coming from right here, the major buyers are coming from right here, and we know that. So what we seeing now is okay. We see for the weekly time frame, price had hit an area right here. These are weekly highs here. Weekly highs. We see these are weekly highs here. Week highs. And notice price did not break this week high yet. Price didn't break this week high yet. So that's good for us. That's confirmation for us. Like, okay, we went up here. It's like we don't want to stay here. It's like, hey, this is an area where we really don't want to stay at. So let's just mark this area up right here. Because why? Price gave me a signal like, hey, we don't want to be here. We can possibly go down. And if you look and pay attention, what have happened up under this area already? We got sellers came into the market. We got sellers came into the market. Then we went up. So now we went to the same area. I think price could possibly go down. That's what I can see. So if I'm expecting price to go down, I can expect some type of sales once price start to flip from this area right here. That's looking good. Not only that, we got to figure out and we got to pay attention to the liquidity because we got liquidity right here. Hey, why is that? Okay, here we go. We got liquidity right here. And we also got liquidity right here. So we got to be mindful of that. Be mindful of the orders. Because what I'm basically saying is price is rejecting. It's rejecting this area. It rejected once, sold off, rejected twice. I expect some sellers to happen. I expect some sellers, and this is how you break down consolidation. This is how you break down consolidation. So this is NASDAQ. And honestly, like my bias is already completed because I use the higher time frame. So whatever going on down low is really it doesn't matter. So this is July 3rd, NASDAQ. I'm expecting price to simply sell down. And whoever already caught this sell here, they into profit. But I think the price gonna pull back some. So now we can go down to the daily and we can see what we can possibly see. All right. So we see price went here, we see price went there. So what I'm saying now is price shot up here, we sold down here. Price shot up here, we sold down here. Price shot up here, we can possibly sell down. I see something like a head and shoulders. I said now this is the daily. Now the daily is almost correlating with the weekly time frame. I'm seeing like a head and shoulders forming. So I'm looking and I'm seeing that this area alone right here is causing massive sales at, as you can see, every time price gets up under this area, we're selling. So if you pay attention here, we got up under here, we sold. Got up under here, we sold. I think price is pulling back. And once price get up on this area again, I think we can sell. I do think this is a head and shoulders forming right now currently. Yeah, I know we got a head and shoulders too. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I think this is gonna happen. But I don't want to trade this unless price give me great candles up in this area. Price just really like this was the indication that price wants to go down because this was a low here. As you can see, this was the low. So price ended up breaking this low here. Letting us know like, hey, we do want to go down. It's like, hey, we do want to go down. I love it actually. I love it. It looks so good. It looks so good. It look good. I believe we finna fall. I believe we finna fall, y'all. I believe we're finna fall. It's correlating. Yeah, it's correlating. It is correlating. The head and shoulders look way better on that daily though. It look way better on that daily. It look way better on that daily. This what I have though. This is what I have. Entry can be right there. Stocks can be right above these highs here. And that's gonna be ball game right there. Either you can take price whenever price hit this area, and you can take it on down to these lows here. That's what 1700 points. You can take it there. You know, if you like me looking for that big game, shoot, you can take it on down to the main TP. Because remember, the banks know the banks know people loading up buys here because at the end of the day, price bought here. So they gonna know people looking to buy here again. So they gonna push price down. Remember, we already got a higher time frame zone. So, bro, that's 2,500 points. But like I said, we can just take it here. We can take our little 1,700 points real quick. That's it. It don't matter. Not only we gonna catch 1,700 points if we get in right here, but just imagine we get in right here too. That's an extra 1,000 points almost. Yeah, extra 1,000 points if you get in right there. This trade is lovely. It's looking good. It's looking good. We just gotta wait on it for it to happen. Because price can either come up here, manipulate people, do whatever it want to do, but we gotta wait the price start closing gray for us in this area right here. And this my NASDAQ breakdown that I'm looking for. I see what head and shoulders form. I went to the higher time frame, understanding that price is trading within these zones. And like I said, we're not looking for no buyers until price take the buyers out. Not looking for no sellers until price take the sellers out. So right now, just a waiting game, but I utilize the higher time frame to figure out where its price could possibly go.